Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Monay Putok Monyaske. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification para if ever na meron akong uploaded videos, you will be notified. And for today's videos guys, I'm going to teach you on how to manually verify your Google Adsense account using your mobile phone or your cell phone. So let's start guys. This is very quick and easy steps only. So thank you so much. So just keep on watching.
Don't dance in my living room, slave to the way you move, hurts when I'm leaving you. Hey, dance in the living room, love with another too drunk.
Una natin gagawin guys, punta tayo sa ating browser, any browser na gusto mong mag-manual. Dito muna tayo. Tapos, pindutin mo to yung sa app. Gilid ng question mark. Ito yung chat support nila. Tapos, lalabas dito yung chat support. Ito, this one. Yung sa baba. Magchat-chat ka dyan. Actually, may available na chat support dito na mag-access sa'yo. Magchat-chat ka dyan kung ano yung i-inquire mo, kung ano yung gustong i-pa-access sa'yo. Like for example, I would like to manually verify my Google Adsense since I already requested for 3 times now. So can you help me out with that? Like that na mga message or chat. Then after nyan, kahit magli-lift ka dyan, yung chat support care nila, i-access ka pa rin yan nila kasi merong merong email support na mag-access ulit sa'yo kung magli-lift ka dyan. So, ang ginawa ko that time is nag-lift ako kasi I was in province that time. So, let's go to my Gmail. Ito yung first na na-receive ko. Ito. Thank you for reaching us out via chat. Kasi nag-left ako that time eh. Tapos, ito yung sinabi, to help you out, please fill this form out, which will provide you or to submit your proof of your identity. Then, please make sure your name and your address match the PIN name and also your mailing address as they appear in your account. So, meaning your ID at the same time your current address is the same. So you can submit government IDs, 2 or more na IDs na valids. And also all you have to do is pindutin lang natin yung form dito. Fill out lang natin to. Yung full name mo, contact email address, your AdSense publisher ID, that one. Then, ito yung choose files na dapat may naka-capture ka na ng mga pictures ng photo IDs mo. Para dito mo siya i-upload yung dito sa choose files. Then, pag natapos na, wala nang problema, click submit. Then, after nyan, wala pang 1 minuto, mag-email yan si YouTube. Punta tayo sa ating Gmail. Yan, after nyan, ma-fill out mo, ito yung ma-receive mo na email. PIN approve. Sabi dito is, thanks for sending your proof of identity. I am happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirement for AdSense. Please note you may still see the payment hold notification in your account. Rest assured that your PIN has been verified and the notification will appear within 24 hours to 48 hours. So, kung napapansin nyo yun, pag hindi pa verified yung email address or billing address nyo doon sa YouTube Studio, may red doon sa taas na that you need to verify your address first. Then, after nyan na within 28 or 24 hours to 48 hours, mawawala na yun kasi verified na yung Google AdSense natin. Then, that one. Tapos, punta tayo doon sa ating Google Ads ito. Ito pala yung publisher ID. Dito mo rin makikita. All you have to do, go to contact information. Ganyan lang. Tapos go to home. Ayan. Ayan. Since verified na siya, actually within 1 minute lang talaga yung na-verified yung billing address ko. Then, ito na siya guys. Verified. And that's it. To verify your billing address using your cell phone in just 1 minute. Then, if you like this video guys or tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Hanggang dito na lang po and see you in my next video. Bye for now.